Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare Yazio with MyFitnessPal. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS, and let's take a look at Yazio first, which is a calorie counter and diet planner, a food tracker to help you lose weight. With 4.6 ratings out of 8.6 thousand ratings, Yazio is definitely a popular app and it does have a good reputation. With Yazio, you can help with your fasting, calorie counting, and weight loss journey. You have recipes and meal plans that you can take advantage of. You have intermittent fasting tools to help you with your fasting, 20 plus fasting plans so that you can find something that is tailored to your body and your needs, new recipes weekly. So you can reach your goal now with more than 50 million happy users on Yazio. Let's compare that with MyFitnessPal, where with MyFitnessPal, we have 4.6 ratings, which is the same as Yazio. However, that's out of 199,000 ratings. So obviously, MyFitnessPal is a very popular app and seems to be at the forefront of the calorie counting app market. It's the leading nutrition and food tracking app with over 100 million downloads. You can log your food quickly by scanning barcodes and finding out what all your food, the kind of calories and nutrition that is available in them. Track all your macros, join a 200 million plus community, and you can sync with your health apps. So MyFitnessPal is definitely the preference for a lot of users. I would say that they're both quite similar in terms of what they offer. You do have a free trial that you can take advantage of. However, at some point, in order to take advantage of all the features, you are going to need that subscription, and that is the same with Yazio as well. Definitely not going to hurt yourself by checking out Yazio. The reviews are very positive, but if we're going to just base our decision on the amount of ratings, the popularity of the app, then MyFitnessPal wins hands down. So you might want to check that out. If you want to give Yazio a shot as well, compare the two, see which one comes out on top for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.